Welcome to Oddly Significant. Imagine a machine so advanced, it defies explanation. A 2,000-year-old device that should not exist, yet does. Discovered in a shipwreck off Greece in 1901, its true purpose and maker remain shrouded in mystery. But one thing is certain, this ancient computer was capable of predicting the impossible, celestial events decades in advance. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of this ancient computer, a shocking truth begins to emerge. The Antikythera mechanism, with its intricate meshing gears and astronomical inscriptions, was not just a simple time-telling device. No, it was far more sinister, or should I say, far more brilliant. For buried within its wooden case were the blueprints for predicting celestial events decades in advance. We're talking about eclipses, planetary alignments, and even the 4-year cycle of athletic games that echoed the ancient Olympic Games. The implications are staggering. A civilization capable of building a device that could foresee the impossible was well ahead of its time. And yet, as we continue to unravel the secrets of this enigmatic orrery, one question lingers. Who was behind this incredible feat of engineering? The makers' names, the exact dates of creation all remain shrouded in mystery. But one thing is certain, this ancient computer was a harbinger of something far greater than itself. A testament to human ingenuity and a whispered promise of secrets yet unknown. But what secrets lie hidden beneath the gears of this 2,000-year-old enigma? The intricate mechanism is a marvel of ancient ingenuity, its inscriptions whispering tales of human innovation that defied the conventions of their time. The largest gear, about 13 cm in diameter, originally boasted an astonishing 223 teeth, a testament to the precision and craftsmanship of its creators. As we peer deeper into the Antikythera's inner workings, we find evidence of a device capable of predicting celestial events with uncanny accuracy. Its gears meshed in harmony, tracking the movements of the moon and sun through the zodiac, foretelling eclipses that would strike awe into the hearts of ancient observers. The inscriptions etched onto its surface offer a glimpse into the minds of those who built this wondrous machine. They speak of a device born from human curiosity, driven by an insatiable desire to grasp the workings of the universe. But as we unravel the secrets hidden within these ancient relics, one question remains. What drove this civilization to create something so far ahead of its time? Now, let's take a closer look at how Cardiff University's team used X-ray tomography to unravel the secrets hidden within these ancient relics. They employed advanced computer imaging techniques to scan fragments of the Antikythera mechanism that had been encased in crust for centuries. These scans revealed faint inscriptions on the outer casing, which provided crucial information about its functionality. We've already mentioned how it could predict eclipses and track astronomical positions decades in advance. But these new findings suggest something even more astonishing. A 37-gear system that enabled it to follow the movements of the moon and the sun through the zodiac. The implications are profound. What drove this ancient civilization to create something so far ahead of its time? The 2,000-year-old computer that shouldn't exist. We've uncovered a mystery that challenges our understanding of ancient civilization and their capabilities. Now it's your turn to join the investigation. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to Oddly Significant, where forgotten history comes back to life.